In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Klaviyo emails. Whether you're adding a touch of dynamism to your newsletter or a bit of flair to a promotional email, GIFs can enhance your email marketing efforts effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can easily incorporate these fun animated images into your emails. First, you'll want to open your Klaviyo account. Just go to your browser and type in www.klaviyo.com. Once the homepage has loaded, look for the login button, usually prominently displayed on the top right-hand corner of the page, and click on it. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. You'll need to enter these to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find various options. Locate the option labeled content and give it a click. This will take you to where all your email content is organized, making it the hub for creating and editing your emails. Now within the content section, find and click on templates. These templates are the blueprints for your emails and where you'll add your GIF. Scroll through your templates to locate the specific one you want to enhance with a GIF and select edit template. This will open the editing interface where you have the flexibility to customize and design your emails. To add your GIF, drag an image block, these are the building blocks of your email structure, into the desired position on your template. With the image block in place, it's time to upload your GIF. Click on the upload button and select your file from your computer. Make sure your file is in the correct format, which is .gif. This is crucial because incorrect formats won't display properly. It's also important to be mindful of the file size. Klaviyo recommends keeping your GIF file under 5 MB. If your GIF is too large, it won't display optimally and could slow the loading time of your email, potentially turning off your subscribers. If necessary, use a GIF optimizer tool to shrink your file size while maintaining quality. And that wraps it up. You've now learned how to insert a GIF into your Klaviyo email template. Experiment with different GIFs to see what most resonates with your audience. Remember to always preview your email before sending it, ensuring that everything looks just right. GIFs are a fantastic way to engage your recipients, making your emails more eye-catching and lively. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.